Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to create help tickets. Let's get started. So, starting on the dashboard CMS, you're going to select Account. You're going to hover over Account and select Help. Once here, you'll click Create. Now, when creating a help ticket, you'll need to fill out the subject. You'll need to create a note. And you can upload a file. You can select the site that you want it to go to and click Save. And just like that, you've learned how to create a help ticket. Thanks everyone.